The once peaceful island was now blanketed in a dazzling spectacle of white. A rare snowfall had turned the tropical paradise into an icy landscape, transforming palm trees into frosted sculptures and turning the sandy beaches into cozy carpets of snow. Moana, ever curious and adventurous, found herself trekking through this unfamiliar terrain toward the heart of the island, where she had heard of a mysterious cave inhabited by a mythical fireman. As the cold winds brushed against her face, Moana thought about her family back at home. They had decided to stay in the warmth of their hut, worried about venturing out in the unfamiliar snow. Moana's spirit, eternal and wild, guided her forward. Driven by stories told by island elders, she wanted to see if the legend of the fireman was true and whether he could bring warmth back to her frozen island. The cave's entrance loomed before her, a large maw etched into the rocky hillside. Flickers of light danced inside, contrasting sharply against the stark snow outside. As Moana stepped inside, the air transformed. Warmth enveloped her like a cozy blanket, a stark departure from the frigid island. Within the depths of the cave stood the fireman. His figure was both intimidating and inviting, fiery embers flicking around him like a living pyre. He had eyes that glowed like molten lava and a smile that promised mystery. Surprised yet determined, Moana inquired about his legend and the snowfall outside. Ah, the snowy dance of the island, the fireman mused. A spectacle not witnessed for centuries. I keep the warmth here, as it is my nature, and this anomaly shall pass, dear Moana. His voice was like bubbling magma, and Moana felt at ease despite the strangeness of the scene. Over the next days, Moana visited the cave often. The fireman shared stories of the island's ancient past and the natural cycles that influence the world. He explained that sometimes rare occurrences remind the island dwellers of the wonder and unpredictability of nature. As Moana returned to her family with tales of the fireman, they listened with awe and acknowledgement. The snowfall soon ceased, once again revealing the sandy shores and tropical blooms of their island life. In the end, Moana's adventure had not only warmed her family, but it also taught them of the island's deep, magical history and the unseen rhythms that guide them all.